Alright everybody, I'm going to show you how to put an LED headlight on a blaster because there is nothing on YouTube about it. You got to just make sure all these wires here are hooked up, especially this yellow and red one. And that runs up your harness. Make sure all your grounds are good. That runs up your harness into your switch. And then off your switch you have a yellow and green wire. The yellow and green wire, I'm just running the green, one's for low beam, one's for high beam. And then you run to the ground in your harness. So you got the ground and you got the hot off of the light switch up here. And as you can see, there's nothing else.